Okay.
Still watching. There's the hail.
Are you sure there can be nothing behind us that we can't see, like that side?
I keep. Uh-oh. This is big. This is big hail.
Shit,
this could damage my car.
Alright, I'm gonna go try to move it, alright?
Where are you gonna move it? There's no room. The roof. This has produced one really. That looks like it could be a funnel. And hail. It's okay, Bum. I don't think it's big enough. This has been doing interesting things the last 5 minutes, 10 minutes. There's a tornado warning on this cell. I'm pretty sure it's this cell. I've seen a couple of really almost funnels. It was rotating pretty quickly earlier. I'm just hoping it keeps moving to our left. It looks like it's going to miss us, which is kind of what I want at this point.